in future, this is not up to now discussed how it would be. Maybe we have a council, the head of the council, as you call the president, we would call that Rais al-Wazara, or the head of the council, and we will have ministers. All the ministers would be appointed by this council and by the head of the council. Amir al-Mu'mineen is our leader, religious leader, and also politics is part of the religion. So, but still, he wouldn't play the role of president. He would play more prominent role. We will have a person, or maybe his deputy would play the role of president, or we will announce, as in the previous government of us, we had Rais al-Wazara. So we will have the same in this government as well. The system of the government is clear. That is an Islamic government. Sharia law would be, of course, there would be no democratic system at all, because it doesn't have any base in our country. That is we are working on. In Afghanistan, our leadership